How to reset your forgotten Binance password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Binance and have forgotten your password, then you can reset it using your registered email address or phone number. First of all, launch open the Binance application on your device, or you may also visit the Binance website. Get to the sign-in screen of Binance, and once you're inside, in the login page, go ahead and enter your email address or phone number in the text box and click login. Now it'll ask you to enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, then all you need to do is to click on this forgot password link under the continue button. On the next page, click on continue and you'll be able to receive a verification code sent to your email address. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox for the 6-digit verification code. Click it open and then you'll receive a 6-digit code. Just type it down exactly as it is. And on the next page, enter the new password you want to reset to. While creating a new password, make sure that you meet these criteria at the bottom. Head over to the next field and re-enter the password once again to confirm. And finally, click the confirm button at the bottom. And that way, you will be able to reset your password to a new one. Next time while logging into your account, make sure to enter your email and then the new password. After typing down the correct password, tap on continue. If prompted, enter the 6-digit code that will be sent to you again via your email. After you do that, you'll be able to get back to your Binance account. So even if you've forgotten your password, that's how you can reset your password and log in and gain access to your account back again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.